East Japan Railway is testing the use of bullet trains on the Tohoku Shinkansen line for teleworking. During the month of February, passengers on train cars designated for remote work can take part in video conferences and telephone calls while seated. The JR Group normally asks passengers to refrain from talking on the phone when they are in their seats.
キーボードとかこう叩く音とか、普通の車両だとやっぱ気にしちゃうんですけど、ここはもう気にしなくていいのかなって思うので。
みんなも集中してるし、なんか一緒に頑張れる。
JR East rents out wireless routers and disinfecting wet wipes for free. Company officials are hoping to be able to provide an alternative working space connecting Tokyo with regional areas of Japan.